play. Blaze and Zag are zooming through Dinosaur Valley, but Zag stopped right on top of a geyser. Uh-oh, the geyser blasted Zag into that super sticky mud pit, and now he's stuck. Blaze has to get to that mud pit. Whoa, it's a whole river of lava. Blaze will need a bridge to cross over it. If you help Blaze knock rocks into the lava, you can build a rock bridge to drive across. That ankylosaurus has a strong tail. If you build a tail like that for Blaze, he can knock big rocks into the lava for the bridge. Press the spacebar to help transform Blaze into an ankylosaurus monster machine. Keep pressing the spacebar. All right! Blaze is an ankylosaurus monster machine! Force is when you push or pull something. When Blaze swings his tail to knock the rocks into the lava, he is using force. When a rock is right in front of Blaze, press the space. More rocks are rolling your way. Keep hitting them to make the rock bridge. When you help Blaze hit a rock, you get a dino token. Smaller rocks will fly the farthest. Don't smash lava rocks, they're hot. You swung a little too soon. Oops, try again. You swung a little too late. Amazing! All right. Avoid the cracked rocks. They just break when you hit them. Smaller rocks will fly the farthest. Great timing! Uh-oh! Smaller rocks will fly the farthest. Oops! Oh yeah! Congrats! Yeah, you made the bridge! Keep going! You have to save Zag from that sticky mud pit! Lug nuts! That giant rock is blocking the way to get to Zag! Blaze needs something strong enough to crush that giant rock! If only Blaze had powerful jaws like that T-Rex! Hey! You can design powerful T-Rex jaws! Press the spacebar to help transform Blaze into a tyrannosaurus monster machine! Press the spacebar to help transform Blaze into a tyrannosaurus. Keep pressing the spacebar. All right! Blaze is a tyrannosaurus monster machine! Press the left arrow key to move. Move toward a rock to jump it. Chomping the rocks gives you more dino tokens! Yellow! Blue! Watch out for lava rocks from the volcano! They're hot! Speed boost! Yeah! Green! Ride over speed boost to go super fast! Yeah! Woohoo! Yeah! Red! Keep collecting dino tokens to help Blaze. Watch out for the geysers! Gaskets! There are even sideways geysers! Great chomping! Keep chomping! Watch out for your ankylosaurus friends! Purple! Chomping the rocks gives you more dino tokens! All right! It's chomping time! Great chomping! All right! Keep collecting dino tokens. You did it! You used force to chomp through all the rocks. Put the pedal to the metal so you can get to Zag. Blaze can't drive into the sticky mud or he'll get stuck too. You have to help him design a solution. Blaze needs wings like that truckadactyl to fly over the mud pit and steer around the sticky mud bubbles. Press the spacebar to help transform Blaze into a truckadactyl. Keep pressing the spacebar. Oh yeah! Blaze is a truckadactyl monster machine! Press the up arrow key to fly up. Press the down arrow key to fly down. Avoid the mud bubbles rising from the sticky mud pit. To collect dino tokens, fly right through them. Fly through the speed boosts to get around the woohoo! Now you're speeding through the sky! Lift is the force that makes a flying object rise up into the air. When truckadactyls flap their wings to fly, they're using lift. Keep going and get to Zag! Keep collecting dino tokens to help Blaze get blazing speed so he can rescue Zag. Woohoo! What a ride! Nice flying! Watch out for the mud bubbles! Loving that loop! Woohoo! Woohoo! What a ride! Loving that loop! Woohoo! What a ride! Look! It's Zag! Help Blaze use his tow cable to rescue Zag. Time to use those dino tokens. Time for blazing speed! Press the spacebar to give it. You're helping Blaze use force to pull Zag out of the mud and lift to bring him high into the sky. Zag is free! Great job! You rescued Zag from that sticky mud. Click play again if you want to play again.